Hi guys, and welcome back to Mysteries with Sarah. Haven't done a video in about a day or so, so I ran across this one and wanted to react to this one with you guys. It's about this ancient relic is so advanced it should not exist. We're talking about all kinds of finds. I think it's top 21. So let's get into the video. But before we do, please run those likes up and subscribe to the channel. That helps me out so much. All right, let's get into it.
We like to think we have a decent understanding of the general flow of advancement in human technology. Certain tools were standard in certain times, but then big leaps happened, like the Industrial Revolution, and then, boom, things jumped ahead. But, truth be told, it's a little bit more complicated than that. Some, for want of a better word, things existed before it seems they should have. These are 20 ancient artifacts that are so advanced, they seem out of place in their time. Number 20. Maine's Viking Penny. The Maine penny, also called the Goddard coin, is a fascinating artifact that stirs debate about possible pre-Columbian transoceanic contact. This coin is a Norwegian silver penny from the era of Olaf Kyrre, who reigned over Norway from 1067 to 1093 AD. The story of the Maine penny began in 1957 when it was allegedly found during excavation in Blue Hill, Maine. This discovery raised questions about how a coin from Norway ended up in Maine. One theory suggests that it might indicate early Norse voyages to North America before Columbus's famous 1492 expedition.
I definitely think that we weren't the first ones here. Columbus was not the first one here. I think the Vikings maybe made it here. I also think that there's some evidence now that the Knights Templar maybe even came here and maybe hid some relics. That's what I've heard.
The Norse, known for their exploration, had established settlements in Greenland and explored parts of North America around the 10th century. The notion of pre-Columbian contact gained more credibility with the 1960s discovery of the Viking settlement at Lons Meadows in Newfoundland, which provided tangible evidence of Norse presence in North America. While the Maine penny supports the idea of Norse exploration, its authenticity and origin remain debated. Some argue that it could have been lost or brought to Maine through trade, while others suspect possible hoaxes or misattributions. Regardless, the Maine penny adds intrigue to the story of early exploration and intercultural contact, highlighting the complexities of piecing together the past and the need for careful archaeological, historical, and scientific scrutiny. Number 19. The Lycurgus Cup. The Lycurgus Cup is a stunning example of ancient Roman glassmaking, crafted in the 4th century. This unique cage cup is made of dichroic glass, which changes color based on the light source. It appears red when lit from behind, and green when illuminated from the front. This striking color change makes the Lycurgus Cup an extraordinary work of art.
That is extraordinary. That is beautiful. They definitely had some good craftsmanship back in those days. If it's not older than the Romans, but they did a pretty good job. All their mosaics. Look at this glass. I would love to have that. Oh, wow. Probably millions of dollars to own something like that.
It stands out not only as the only complete Roman glass object of its kind, but also for its dramatic color shift, setting it apart from other glassware of the era. Named after a depiction of the mythical Thracian king Lycurgus on its surface, the cup's intricate design and craftsmanship add to its visual appeal. The cup's color-changing ability is due to nanoparticles of gold and silver incorporated into the glass. These particles interact with light, absorbing and reflecting different wavelengths, which causes the color transformations. The Lycurgus Cup not only showcases the advanced glass-making skills of ancient Romans, but also offers insights into early scientific techniques. Its study highlights the artistic and technical prowess of ancient artisans, and continues to captivate modern researchers with its sophisticated design and innovative manufacturing. Number 18. The Elan Antenna. The Elan Antenna is a fascinating and mysterious discovery that has intrigued both scientists and enthusiasts since its photograph was taken in 1964. This photograph was captured by the Antarctic Oceanographic Research Ship USNS Eltanin during a seafloor survey off the coast of Cape Horn. The image shows an object that looks like an antenna standing upright at a depth of 3,904 meters. This strange and perplexing artifact has given rise to numerous theories and speculations. Some fringe theories suggest that it could be an alien artifact. Bruce Cathy, a well-known figure in the UFO community, and others have proposed that the object might be of extraterrestrial origin. When news of the find became public, various explanations emerged. Some theorists suggested that the object might be a part of the ship's own antenna system that broke off and fell to the ocean floor. The Cold War atmosphere of the time also led to speculation that it could be a piece of secret Soviet technology. Despite these theories, the true nature of the Elan Antenna remains elusive. Its discovery continues to spark debate and captivate the imagination of those interested in the unknown. Could it be evidence of an alien presence, or might it simply be a rare natural occurrence? The mystery surrounding the Elan Antenna highlights the vast and often unexplored depths of our oceans and underscores the ongoing importance of scientific exploration and inquiry. This enigmatic object invites us to delve deeper into the mysteries beneath the sea, encouraging a continual search for understanding in the face of the unknown. Number 17. Wolf Seg Iron. The Wolf Seg Iron, discovered in 1885, is a mysterious artifact that challenges conventional explanations and has captivated researchers and enthusiasts alike. This intriguing object was found in a 20-million-year-old coal seam in Wolfseg am Hausruck, Austria. The small cuboid piece of iron, also known as the Salzburg cube, measures 67 millimeters by 67 millimeters by 47 millimeters and weighs 785 grams. It is characterized by 4 flat sides and 2 convex sides, with a deep groove encircling its middle. The Wolfseg Iron's most remarkable feature is its apparent age. Embedded in tertiary lignite, a type of coal that formed millions of years ago, this iron cube raises profound questions about historical technology and human advancement. How did such a precisely worked iron object end up in a coal seam
20 million years ago? See, I really don't believe we were the first advanced human beings on the planet. I believe there was some catastrophe, something happened. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was a flood, but I really do believe there were humans before the Homo sapiens we know today.
that is millions of years old? This artifact prompts speculation about whether it could be evidence of an advanced civilization that existed before our current historical understanding. Alternatively, it might represent an extraordinary natural anomaly or an unusual geological process. The Wolfseg Iron continues to fascinate scientists and researchers who are dedicated to uncovering its origins and significance. The quest to understand this enigmatic object opens up new avenues for exploration and challenges the boundaries of our knowledge, encouraging a re-examination of historical and scientific assumptions. Number 16. Viking Sword, Ulfbert. The Viking Sword. Ulfbert is a striking testament to the advanced craftsmanship and metallurgical skills of the Norse people. Dating back to the 9th through 11th centuries AD, this sword has puzzled archaeologists with its exceptional quality and sophisticated composition. When the Ulfbert sword was discovered, researchers were astonished by its characteristics, which seemed to surpass the technological capabilities of its era. The sword's carbon content is 3 times higher than that of other swords from the same period, and it demonstrates an unprecedented level of purity. To achieve such a result, the iron ore would have needed to be heated to temperatures exceeding 1648 degrees Celsius, a feat that seems extraordinary for the Viking Age. The advanced nature of the Ulfbert sword raises intriguing questions about the metallurgical knowledge of its time. How could such a highly refined weapon be produced centuries before the Industrial Revolution? Modern blacksmith Richard Führer took on the challenge of recreating the Ulfbert sword using methods and tools that would have been available in the Middle Ages. This endeavor turned out to be the most complex undertaking he had ever faced, revealing techniques not documented in historical records. Führer's successful recreation of the sword demonstrated the high level of skill required to produce such a sophisticated weapon. The mystery of the Ulfbert sword continues to provoke curiosity about the source of the advanced metallurgical techniques used by Viking artisans. This discovery not only sheds light on the exceptional craftsmanship of the Vikings, but also highlights their innovation and expertise in weapon making, showcasing their ability to push the boundaries of technology and craftsmanship. Number 15. Greek fire. During the turbulent period spanning the 7th to 12th centuries, the Byzantine Empire wielded a formidable weapon that could decisively alter naval battles. This enigmatic substance.
This is what made the Greeks so powerful. Everyone was afraid of them because of this, and we can't recreate this fire today. We don't know exactly how they did it. So we got to give a lot more props to our ancestors because they were definitely a lot more advanced than current people in history want us to believe.
Ejected through tubes or siphons, had a terrifying ability to burn fiercely even on the water's surface, defying natural laws. Its mere presence struck immense fear into opponents, marking it as a weapon of unrivaled terror. The true composition of Greek fire remains an enduring mystery. The Byzantines guarded its formulation with utmost secrecy, permitting only a select few to know its creation method. Despite extensive research and myriad theories, the exact ingredients and method of production have been lost to history. What is certain is that Greek fire exhibited extraordinary persistence. It adhered to ships, causing widespread destruction and turmoil among enemy fleets. Efforts to extinguish it with conventional means proved ineffective, as only substances like vinegar, sand, or even urine could hope to quell its raging flames. The Byzantine Empire understood the strategic advantage of Greek fire and meticulously safeguarded its secret. This weapon became a closely guarded state secret, passed down through generations within an elite circle. However, as empires rise and fall, some knowledge inevitably fades. Thus, the formula for Greek fire gradually slipped into obscurity, leaving only fragments of its once feared existence. Number 14. The London Hammer. In the heart of Texas, a remarkable discovery defies conventional understanding and challenges geological history. The London Hammer, an artifact of great mystery, was found in the summer of 1936 near the small town of London, Texas. This seemingly ordinary hammer, made of iron and wood, has become the focus of intense debate and speculation. What sets the London Hammer apart is its strange entrapment within a solid limey rock concretion, which raises intriguing questions. The rock layer containing the hammer dates back to the Lower Cretaceous period, approximately 140 to 110 million years ago. How did a manufactured hammer become encased in such ancient stone?
Exactly.
The presence of the London Hammer in Lower Cretaceous rock presents a notable puzzle. It challenges established views on history, geology, and the nature of time itself. Skeptics suggest that natural geological processes might explain how the hammer ended up in the rock. Others consider alternative explanations, including the possibility of time travel or advanced prehistoric civilization.
Advanced prehistoric civilizations. That's what I think. Let me know in the comments what you think. You think we had advanced technology in the past? Do you think we had another human beings before us that were smart and advanced in technology and could have made this stuff and then something happened like I do? Or do you think that it was just placed there and somehow ended up in the rock a couple hundred years ago or something? Get at me in the comments. Let me know. Leave me a comment.
Could this artifact indicate a sophisticated ancient society capable of creating tools far ahead of their time? Or might it hint at the existence of time portals transporting objects across epochs? Although the London Hammer captivates researchers and enthusiasts, its true origins and purpose remain elusive. Despite extensive examinations of the rock's geological context and the artifact itself, definitive answers are still out of reach, leaving the hammer within the realm of fascinating mysteries. Number 13. Clerkdorp Spheres. Deep within South African mines, a peculiar discovery has emerged, challenging our comprehension of ancient history: the Clerkdorp Spheres. These enigmatic objects, characterized by their spherical shapes and fine grooves, have ignited considerable debate among scientists and enthusiasts. They blur the line between natural formations and human craftsmanship. Discovered in Clerkdorp, South Africa, these spheres have puzzled experts with their distinct features. Some argue that they are natural mineral formations shaped by geological processes over millions of years. Others suggest a more controversial theory, that prehistoric humans crafted these spheres with precision. Rolf Marx, the curator at the Museum of Klerksdorp, described them as having a fibrous internal structure encased in a hard shell. Remarkably, these objects are exceptionally hard, resisting scratches even from steel. Marx estimates that these spheres are around 2.8 billion years old, placing them far beyond the reach of known human history. The origin of the Clerkdorp Spheres continues to baffle researchers. If they are natural, the exact geological processes responsible for their unique formation remain unclear. Alternatively, the theory that ancient civilizations deliberately created these spheres opens intriguing possibilities. Could they be remnants of advanced technology from a lost civilization, or evidence of knowledge far beyond our current understanding? The existence of these precisely shaped objects challenges traditional timelines of human evolution and provokes contemplation about the mysteries of our ancient past. Number 12. Piri Race Map. Among ancient maps, the Piri Race Map stands out as a remarkable cartographic artifact. Created in 1513 by the Turkish admiral and cartographer Piri Race, this map offers a potentially revealing glimpse into a time when Antarctica may have been ice-free. The map features a landmass protruding from the southern coast of South America, which, if identified as Antarctica, raises intriguing questions about our planet's historical geography. Captain Lorenzo W. Burroughs, a member of the U.S. Air Force Cartographic Section, suggested in 1961 that the map accurately depicts Antarctica's coastline, hidden beneath ice. Dr. Charles Hapgood, a Harvard historian, supported this notion, proposing that the map reflects significant prehistoric shifts in Earth's land masses. Hapgood's theories about geological changes, endorsed by Albert Einstein, suggest that Antarctica and South America were once connected. Despite the controversy and skepticism surrounding these claims, the Piri Race Map remains an enigmatic artifact. Its detailed portrayal of what might be an ice-free Antarctica challenges our understanding of historical and geological evolution. The map serves as a captivating piece in the puzzle of ancient cartography and the exploration of lost civilizations. It invites us to question the boundaries of our knowledge, fuels curiosity, and sparks the imagination about the possibility of forgotten worlds and ancient mysteries.
You notice that America is on the map? So this was in 1500s, way before Columbus. So somebody came here first. Isn't that kind of proof right there?
Number 11. The Roman Aqueducts. Step back into ancient Rome, a time when festivities were abundant and clean water flowed freely, thanks to the engineering marvels known as Roman aqueducts. While other civilizations struggled with water shortages, the Romans enjoyed abundant fresh water, courtesy of their remarkable aqueducts. These grand structures spanned impressive distances, channeling pristine water from distant sources straight into the bustling urban centers. Constructed with meticulous craftsmanship, the aqueducts used durable stone or brick, supported by elegant arches and bridges. The primary goal of these engineering feats was straightforward yet crucial: to provide a steady supply of clean water for drinking, bathing, and sanitation. They stood as a testament to Rome's dedication to public health and hygiene, allowing citizens to benefit from the luxury of fresh water. More than just plumbing systems, the aqueducts were architectural masterpieces that reshaped the landscape. Some aqueducts extended over hundreds of kilometers, overcoming challenging terrains and defying gravity to deliver water to Roman inhabitants. The Romans combined functionality with artistry, turning the aqueducts into visually stunning structures. The arches and bridges not only supported the aqueducts, but also created a striking visual display, reflecting the Romans' commitment to both form and practicality. Now it's time for the sweet topic. This ancient relic is so advanced it really shouldn't exist. As unearthed in the Amazon jungle it is, at first glance, little more than a rock with interesting runes carved into it. Analyzed, experts feel it is several centuries old. Now said object may not feel out of time. It seems like the sort of thing that would have existed a few centuries back. But there's a twist. In the center of the rock, there's some kind of foggy glass that seems to light up in accordance with lunar cycles, accurately predicting a full moon. In many ways, it's
What do you think? Aliens or human technology? Let me know in the comments. That's amazing.
kind of an ancient phone app. To this day, we can't quite figure out how they made it, proving that the escalation of technology isn't quite the straight line many think it is. As always, let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below using the hashtag #SweetTopic.
Yeah?
Number 10. The Roman Dodecahedron. Imagine a small bronze artifact with 12 flat faces, each featuring a tiny central hole. What was this intriguing object used for? The true purpose of the Roman dodecahedron remains an enigma, sparking various theories about its function.
Nobody
Some
knows.
suggest that it might have been a decorative toy or a form of entertainment for ancient Romans. Its detailed design and tactile nature hint that it could have been a playful item, providing amusement for its owner. Others propose that the dodecahedron may have had a more significant role, possibly as a divination tool. Its unique geometric shape and the holes on each face could have been used for casting dice or interpreting symbols, offering insights into the future or guiding decisions. Another theory posits that the dodecahedron was employed in secretive rituals or religious ceremonies. Its precise craftsmanship suggests it might have been part of complex systems or advanced technologies of its time. Although the exact function of the dodecahedron remains uncertain, its intricate design and craftsmanship continue to intrigue historians and scholars. This artifact highlights the Romans' creativity and innovation, leaving us with a fascinating mystery from the past. Number 9. The Shigur Idol. An extraordinary ancient artifact known as the Shigur Idol offers a glimpse into early human artistry and culture. Unearthed from a remote peat bog in the Ural Mountains of Russia in 1890, this wooden sculpture stands an impressive 5 meters tall and is believed to be around 9,500 years old. The Shigur Idol is one of the oldest known wooden sculptures, showcasing the artistic skills of early human societies. Each part of the Shigur Idol is intricately carved with abstract patterns and symbols, creating a tapestry of enigmatic imagery. These carvings might tell stories, convey messages, or offer insights into the creation myths of ancient cultures. Although the precise meaning of the symbols and patterns is still being researched, the idol undoubtedly represents its creator's spiritual and artistic ambitions. It serves as a bridge between the earthly and the divine, a tangible representation of human expression from millennia ago. The Shigur Idol invites us to explore the mysteries, beliefs, and cultural narratives of early civilizations, illustrating humanity's enduring drive to communicate thoughts, emotions, and myths through art. Number 8. The Baghdad Battery. Delve into the fascinating enigma of the Baghdad Battery, a historical artifact that continues to intrigue and perplex archaeologists and scientists. Discovered in 1938 near the ancient city that once served as the capital of the Parthian and Sasanian empires, this intriguing artifact consists of 3 separate components: a ceramic pot, a copper tube, and an iron rod. Found near what is now Baghdad in Iraq, this collection has been dubbed the Baghdad Battery due to its unusual configuration and location. The significance of this artifact lies in its potential function as an ancient device capable of generating electrical energy. The 3 parts of the Baghdad Battery are thought to have been assembled into a single unit that might have utilized a chemical reaction to produce electricity. This theory suggests that the ancient creators possessed advanced knowledge that was far ahead of their time. Scholars have proposed various theories regarding the purpose of the Baghdad Battery. Some believe it could have been an early form of a galvanic cell, a device that generates electricity through a chemical reaction between metals and acids. Others suggest it might have been used for electroplating, a process that deposits a layer of metal onto a surface. Despite extensive studies and ongoing debates, the exact purpose of this artifact remains a mystery.
Hey, it doesn't matter. Either way, it shows advanced technology way before its time. So,
The Baghdad Battery challenges our understanding of ancient technological capabilities, and suggests that early civilizations might have had a more sophisticated grasp of electrical science than previously thought. Its discovery prompts us to reconsider the technological advancements of ancient societies and their potential contributions to the development of electrical technology. As research continues, the Baghdad Battery remains a compelling mystery, sparking curiosity and inspiring further investigation into the technological achievements of ancient cultures. Number 7. The Iron Pillar of Delhi. Behold the Iron Pillar of Delhi, a striking example of ancient Indian metallurgical expertise that continues to fascinate historians and scientists alike. Located within the historic Qutub complex in Delhi, this monumental pillar dates back to the Gupta Empire, specifically between the 4th and 6th centuries. The pillar stands over 23 feet tall and weighs approximately 6 tons, showcasing an impressive feat of engineering and craftsmanship. What makes the Iron Pillar particularly remarkable is its composition, a high-quality iron alloy that has astonishingly resisted rust and corrosion for more than 1,600 years. This extraordinary preservation challenges the conventional understanding of iron's susceptibility to oxidation, as iron typically rusts and corrodes over time. The continued state of preservation of the Iron Pillar has left scholars and metallurgists astounded. This anomaly suggests that the artisans who created the pillar possessed advanced knowledge of metallurgy and alloy composition. Their expertise allowed them to produce a material that defied the usual degradation processes associated with iron. The Iron Pillar is not only a symbol of the Gupta Empire's technological achievements, but also a testament to the innovative spirit of its creators. It highlights the advanced metallurgical techniques employed in ancient India and provides valuable insights into the technological capabilities of early civilizations. The pillar's remarkable durability invites ongoing research and admiration, serving as a bridge between historical craftsmanship and contemporary scientific inquiry. Its enduring presence underscores the ingenuity of ancient Indian artisans and continues to inspire awe and curiosity in the field of metallurgy.
Hey, at least they are preserving it, so we can still have it for years to come.
Number 6. The Fistos Disc. Step into the enigmatic world of the Fistos Disc, an ancient artifact that presents a captivating puzzle from the distant past. Discovered in the ruins of the Minoan Palace at Fistos on the island of Crete, this disc is adorned with a series of mysterious symbols that have puzzled scholars for decades. The disc's purpose and meaning have eluded clear interpretation, as extensive efforts to decipher the symbols have so far yielded no definitive conclusions. The symbols on the Fistos disc are arranged in a spiral pattern, and their exact significance remains a subject of ongoing debate.
Hey, we're coming pretty far with AI starting to decode these ancient languages, So I hope pretty soon we'll be able to decipher a lot of this with AI. We're coming a long way.
Several theories have emerged regarding the potential functions of the disc. Some researchers propose that it might represent an early form of writing, perhaps used for recording important information or transmitting messages. Others suggest it could be a religious or ritualistic artifact, serving a ceremonial purpose within Minoan society. There is also speculation that the disc may have been used as a form of entertainment or a game, similar to ancient board games. The Fistos disc remains one of the most intriguing relics from the Minoan civilization, reflecting their intellectual and cultural sophistication. Its undeciphered symbols continue to captivate historians and archaeologists who are drawn to the artifact's enigmatic nature. The disc serves as a powerful reminder of the limits of our understanding and the potential for future discoveries about ancient cultures. It underscores the complexity of early civilizations and inspires ongoing exploration into the mysteries of human history, offering a glimpse into a past that remains partially obscured by time. Number 5. The Astrolabe. Imagine the Astrolabe, an ingenious instrument from the ancient world that allowed astronomers to navigate the night sky and measure celestial positions with remarkable precision. Developed by Greek scholars, The astrolabe serves as a sophisticated model of the universe. It consists of a circular disc, typically...
Doesn't that remind you of, what was it called? The Antikythera Mechanism that they found? And it was also supposed to be from Greece. That kind of looks like it, or something a little close to it. I think the other one was a little bit more advanced, but there's a lot of similarities.
crafted from brass or other metals, which is meticulously engraved with celestial markings, scales, and measurements. This disc represents a scaled-down version of the celestial sphere, with Earth positioned at its center. The astrolabe was a versatile tool used by astronomers, navigators, and mathematicians throughout history to determine star positions, track planetary movements, and predict astronomical events. Its design allowed users to make accurate observations and calculations based on the positions of celestial bodies. Over time, the astrolabe underwent significant evolution, incorporating advancements from various cultures, including notable refinements during the Islamic Golden Age. It became an essential instrument for scientific exploration and inquiry, reflecting the unquenchable thirst for knowledge about the cosmos. Today, while modern technology offers more advanced methods for studying the universe, the astrolabe remains a symbol of early scientific progress. It links us to the ancient pursuit of understanding the cosmos and highlights the remarkable ingenuity of early astronomers. The legacy of the astrolabe endures as a testament to human curiosity and the ongoing quest to explore and understand the universe. Its continued relevance serves as a reminder of the extraordinary strides made in the field of astronomy and the profound impact of early scientific instruments on our understanding of the cosmos. Number 4. The Huang Dong Yi, China's ancient seismoscope.
What a name.
Explore the ancient world of China and uncover the marvel of the Huang Dong Yi, the pioneering seismoscope that marked a significant advancement in earthquake detection. This remarkable device was crafted nearly 2,000 years ago in response to the need to understand and forecast the unpredictable nature of earthquakes. The birthplace of this groundbreaking invention was China, a region historically prone to seismic activity. Zhang Heng, an extraordinary polymath of the Han Dynasty, 78 to 139 AD, was the genius behind the Huang Dong Yi. Zhang Heng was renowned not only for his achievements in astronomy, cartography, mathematics, poetry, and painting, but also for his visionary inventions. The Huang Dong Yi is a marvel of both design and function. At its center is a large, elaborately decorated copper vessel, which serves as the main component of this ancient seismoscope. The vessel features 8 protruding tubes, each meticulously fashioned to resemble dragon heads, symbolizing power and mythical strength. Beneath each dragon's head is a copper toad, positioned to receive the vibrations caused by earthquakes. These toads are integral to the device's function, waiting for the tremors that signal seismic activity. When an earthquake occurs, the Huang Dong Yi's delicate balance is disturbed. The dragon heads, functioning as pendulums, move in response to even the slightest tremors. These movements are connected to the copper toads below, triggering the release of a small bar from the toad's mouth. The direction in which this bar falls indicates the location of the earthquake, providing an early warning system for those affected by the seismic event. Number 3. Roman concrete, the ancient marvel. Step back into the grandeur of ancient Rome, where architectural masterpieces stood resilient against the ravages of time. Central to these iconic structures was Roman concrete, also known as opus cementitium. This revolutionary material, a hydraulic setting cement blend, played a crucial role in the construction of Rome's enduring monuments. Roman concrete was distinguished by its unique mixture of volcanic ash and lime. The volcanic ash, sourced from the vicinity of Rome, contained pozzolanic properties that, when combined with lime, created a powerful binding agent. This reaction transformed rock fragments into a cohesive mass, resulting in a highly durable building material. The esteemed Roman scholar Pliny the Elder was among those who praised Roman concrete, noting its remarkable strength and durability. He described it as a material that could withstand waves and improve over time. Roman concrete was integral to many significant architectural achievements, including aqueducts, bridges, and grand structures like the Pantheon. The secret to its lasting durability lay in its ability to self-repair. When exposed to moisture and seawater, the concrete underwent a process known as the pozzolanic reaction, which repaired cracks and enhanced its strength.
That's awesome.
This innovative property enabled the Romans to construct enduring structures that have withstood the test of time, water erosion, and other natural forces. From the Colosseum's awe-inspiring arches to the Pantheon's magnificent dome, Roman concrete exemplifies the ingenuity and engineering excellence of ancient Rome. Unfortunately, the formula for Roman concrete was lost as the Roman Empire declined and new eras emerged. Today,
That's what I was just about to say. Why aren't we using that today? That would be so amazing. Our structures would last so much longer, but I guess technology was lost.
scientists and engineers continue to investigate ancient Roman structures, striving to uncover the secrets behind this exceptional material and understand the techniques that allowed the ancient Romans to build such resilient and enduring landmarks. Number 2. Antikythera Mechanism, the ancient cosmic
There it is, the other one from Greece. It was Antikythera. I almost had it right. Close.
clock. Travel back to the ancient world and marvel at the Antikythera Mechanism, a sophisticated device predating Copernicus that represents an astounding feat of ancient engineering. Discovered in 1901, this ancient artifact was found by divers searching for sea sponges near the Greek island of Antikythera. Among the underwater wreckage, they unearthed a collection of corroded bronze gears encased in a decayed wooden box. From the start, it was clear that this artifact had a significance far beyond its apparent state of disrepair. Initially, the purpose of the Antikythera mechanism puzzled scholars, who were astonished by its intricate design. Some early theorists even suggested that it might have been an ancient computer, though this idea seemed far-fetched at the time. However, as research advanced and new imaging technologies emerged, the initial doubts began to fade. The complexity and precision of the gears suggested a level of technological sophistication that seemed advanced for its time. By the 1970s, scholars largely agreed that the Antikythera mechanism was an early model of the solar system, known as an orrery. Its function was to calculate and track celestial events, offering insights into the positions of heavenly bodies and predicting astronomical occurrences. The mechanism, created over 2,200 years ago, showcased the creator's exceptional understanding of astronomy and engineering. Long before the heliocentric model of Copernicus, this ancient device was already unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, the surviving fragments of the Antikythera mechanism continue to captivate researchers. Archaeologists and scientists diligently work to decode its complexities and uncover further details about its design and function. The study of this ancient technology not only sheds light on past achievements, but also challenges our understanding of early scientific knowledge.
Yeah, we've made a whole nother replica. We got the replica down pat now. They actually got to make it, and it's got so many gears. It's so far advanced. It shouldn't have existed. That's right.
Number 1. Damascus Steel, the legendary blades. Enter the realm of legendary weaponry and discover the remarkable Damascus Steel swords, which originated in the Middle East around the 9th century. Renowned for their unmatched strength and beauty, these swords became the stuff of legend, captivating both warriors and historians. What distinguished Damascus Steel swords from their Western counterparts, particularly during the Crusades, was their exceptional durability and sharpness. These blades were reputed to be significantly stronger, harder, and sharper, inspiring awe and fear on the battlefield. The name Damascus refers to the Syrian city where these renowned swords were crafted, and also describes the distinctive flowing pattern that adorns their surface, resembling water ripples. This unique pattern, known as the Damascus pattern or Damascus twist, reflects the intricate craftsmanship involved in forging these swords. Creating Damascus steel involved a closely guarded technique blending small ingots of wood steel from regions like India, Sri Lanka, or Iran with charcoal and subjecting them to a slow cooling process. This elaborate process not only contributed to the blade's stunning visual appeal, but also enhanced its strength and resistance to wear. Damascus steel swords were celebrated for their ability to retain sharpness even after extensive use, making them prized possessions for warriors. Unfortunately, the exact techniques used to create authentic Damascus steel were lost over time. Despite many attempts to recreate the ancient process, modern bladesmiths have not yet achieved the same quality and properties of the original swords. While contemporary blades inspired by Damascus steel can be visually impressive, they fall short of replicating the exceptional craftsmanship of the ancient blades. So, which of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comment.
Yes, let me know down in the comments which one of these you thought was most amazing. All right, run those likes up for me. It's the only way the algorithm will push out these videos for people to see. And leave a comment, and please subscribe to the channel. All right, I promise to keep bringing you guys amazing content. Until the next one, bye.